their daughters in the class. And that young lady was pretty good. I had a mother and daughter in my class. These are all students. Elbow strike. I brought Betty Bonnet, the beer gun. That one of the girls getting a good strike in the middle of the field. Watch it. It's a brave little stunt. Alright, so this is how the flags look. We'll post them up. This was the old one, but this is how they're going to let me post them up. We'll put them out there. We'll also put them on the SGA table. They'll be up there, okay? Now, we don't have much classes for men. We're trying to get it for men. We're always more targeted for the females, but once I get a moment, I can do a men's self-defense class as well, where I can do like the ball boxing and stuff like that for the men. But it's not for the men to use it on the girls. Somebody said, so you're going to train the girls like defend us, and then you're going to train the guys so they can beat us up even more. No. But you gotta make sure. Yeah, there's a whole bunch of other stuff as well. Okay? So you guys had a good time? Yeah. This is my first time doing this. Again, I get to work at 3 I 1 and doing it. I told my boss I was afraid of so many of you, but we all interacted, and the gentlemen helped me out. So this class was a team class. We did it together as a group. I love doing this stuff, and it makes me now I can relate to. We see each other in the hallway now. We give each other the nice cop wave. Now we know each other. If you have any questions, you need anything from me while I'm here, just let me know why you see me in school. If you're from other classes, thank you for coming and being here. Again, Hostos is a good place. I've been in CUNY for a long time, but here we're like a family. A lot of the officers here, they go to school here. I went to school here, and we're family. So we negotiate. If you have a problem with an officer, now we're good friends, let me know. I'll deal with it. But don't forget that if you're going to come to me with a complaint with an officer, everything is monitored on camera. And I have students that lie and don't realize the cameras catch everything. And I had a student the other day said, he was very rough, he was rude, he didn't let me in. You know, the ID, the video shows us signing her ID, signing and going into the building. And the whole story was different. So if the officers are wrong, I deal with them. And I penalize them. But if you're wrong, you're going to deal with the dean. But we're not here for that. We're here to get education and be a family. Okay? Thank you.
This is the first time that we've actually had a self-defense class here. We've actually had an African dance class here once. We try to do something different every year where we bring in something new. This was actually Ileana's idea. There's Ileana. So one of the things probably haven't highlighted up until now is that, except for the first morning, is that this is driven by the members of the academy. Yes, I'm here. But I'm also not the person who says this is how it has to be. We talked about the programming for the week. I discussed it with the members. So Bulbous has a friend and a group that's coming tomorrow. When we talk about the food, I don't want to talk about the food. That's their job. I don't have anything to do with it. Check in and everything. So when there are hiccups, it's okay. It's a learning experience, but it's about leadership. You know, you learn by actually doing. And that's everything that we do. So when we volunteer, it's about your leadership and taking control of it and taking the lead. When we have our ceremonies, I'm not, I'm there, but you guys run the show. When it's, when we have our workshops, If somebody's not working out, we don't invite them back. If somebody does work out, that's your vote. You let me know and we bring them back over and over again. So like around Moody, we bring Around back every year because, you know, everybody loves Around. So thank you for that. Tomorrow, got an exciting day. I think, who do we have in the morning? I don't even know. Brian in the morning? Okay, Brian's great. If you miss Brian, you're going to miss something special. And then we have somebody in the afternoon. Who do we have in the afternoon? Somebody in the afternoon? Gio? Bert. We have Bert in the afternoon. Bert was here earlier. He's going to do some music thing too. I don't know. That's kind of weird. And then we have Zaps.
Yes, I'll integrate what Steve.
We're going to talk about schools and how we can fix them and all that good stuff. And so I'll see you tomorrow. And then if you also remember, on Thursday we have the dining etiquette and we have limited seating for that, so please sign up for that. And the volunteer project for Martin Luther King is going to happen on the 19th. So we need you to sign up for that as well, so I can send the names over to Bronx is Booming, which was one of our partners here in the Bronx. We work with on issues in the parks. We try to clean up the parks. And it's going to be cold out there, but it makes a difference to clean up the parks even in the winter. Yes, any Bronx is Booming event, you can bring kids. And there are a lot of other events you can bring kids to too. Bronx is Booming, you can always bring, I bring my